सीधा जाना था, ये जो है गाड़ी चला गया सोलापुर की तरफ। अब हमें जो है दूसरी गाड़ी को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। From here we will go to Goa. This is Hubli. This road straight goes to जो है Pune. Now we will take left hand side and take another vehicle.
We're actually 15 kilometers away from Karwar and 122 kilometers away from Panaji. And our GPS track and trace device is already failed. We really don't know where our participants and when they are going to reach Panaji for the next task. So hope everything goes well and we reach in some time to complete the task. It's already been 21 hours drive, so we hope it's going to be another 3 hours more drive. And as of now, there is a heavy monsoon is happening on way our en route to Karwar. There are tough rains and roads are very skiddy, so we hope there is no further more problem to our en route to Panaji.
There is a lot of water. पूरा बारिश में हालत खराब. Where is Bhopal? There's a long journey from the Ahmedabad to Bhopal.
27 hours of your journey, you all have finally reached this warehouse.
And within these 27 hours, we have almost covered 700 kilometers, approximately.
Right, absolutely. So, are you all ready for the next?
Yes, of course. We are ready.
Now we seriously don't know where our contestants are, where they are traveling. The last update was they had taken a truck from a place which is nearly 200 kilometers from here. Already the entire crew is down with their morale and we are trying to upkeep because it's almost been a 20-hour drive in the car. And we do understand the contestants are also really tired, so because they didn't get any rest for the past 19 to 20 hours, and also they had a hectic day today. So let's hope everything goes well and monsoon doesn't stop our journey. The recent update is we are still trying to locate our team and we are unable to find them. We had a deadline of 3 o'clock to reach the Panaji for our contestants. Since due to heavy monsoon and rains and due to untraceability and failure of our GPS, we are trying to extend the time. So time doesn't matter now. We are just concerned about the safety of our contestants.
नमस्कार, आज हम ओडिशा में हैं और हम अपनी टीम का इंतजार कर रहे हैं डीजल के पाटिया वेयरहाउस के यहाँ पे. The team is a bit delayed because they were looking for the place, but it's a difficult place to find on the outskirts of the city. And today being Sunday, there is no warehouse that's open this side. Drive India warehouse managers here at Patia have been very, very generous, and they have agreed to open the warehouse for us just so that our team can experience the operations in this warehouse. And as soon as the team comes in, we'll have a look inside. I think here they are. Hello team, was it difficult to find the place?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, there's no light. I think this part of the city has been having a lot of rains for the last 1 week. From what I understand from our colleagues inside is that today has been one of the lesser rainy days as such. and we were experiencing a lot of thunderstorms, lightning in the afternoon. In fact, I think Himangi and team, the West team here, barely, I think they were almost struck by lightning or something.
Absolutely. It was just like
in front of us.
In front of us. We were passing by the auto and it just came out sudden and we all was like shocked and we thought that was some bomb blast or kind of thing happened.
So LMS is just getting more and more exciting for the team here. I think we should now take them inside. They've had a long and tiring journey, and I'm sure that after this they'd like to move on to their other destinations.
It's a console warehouse, huh?
I'll request Poojan and Mr. Singh to say a few words to their colleagues back in the corporate office. What do you think of the entire exercise of LMS? What influence it has on you and what impact it could have on the organization?
It will definitely make a good impact in the company.
Okay.
The manner they are working, the company is working, that they are not sleeping, not taking rest, and doing the job, going here to there.
Okay.
And 24 hours is working. And the more important thing that they are traveled by a truck. It is very difficult. Very difficult.
And inspiring for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. On that note,
Still we are inspiring.
I'll thank you, Mr. Singh.
Still we are inspiring.
Thanks.
Thank you, Poojan.
Okay, once again.
Great job, guys.
Thank you.
Our next destination, that is Jabalpur.
Yeah.
We are raring to go.
Thanks, Poojan.
You guys have to fill up survey forms also on the way as much as possible.
Yeah.
And then you have 2 challenges to do, each worth 100 points. So get cracking. All the best. Day 2 of our race. Quarter 10 has been about 2 hours that we left the last warehouse. We are stranded somewhere near 0 Mile Island, as they call it. Over here you get trucks in all directions. Bhupinder, are you disappointed that you did not get a truck?
Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed. Probably that would be if I'll see from the driver's perspective, it is difficult for them also to believe, as one of the guys said, that kidnapping, etc., etc. So they are reluctant. So overall the conclusion what we got now is probably we'll use public transport till Allahabad, and Allahabad being the hub towards Mumbai side. So probably we hope that we'll get a truck there.
Okay.
And move on to a journey. A bit disappointed.
Okay, the spirit of these guys is really amazing. Even after looking around, haggling with truck drivers, trying to explain their point to them in any number of ways possible, they still have their spirits up. And let's hope that by tomorrow they get to do this bit, very important bit of this race. With that, we sign off for the day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It was really hectic. We thought that it must be 600 kilometers, but it came out beyond 750 kilometers. We traveled all across from Bangalore to Chitradurg, from Chitradurg to Hubli, and from Hubli to Ankola, and from Ankola to Carver Port, and from there to finally to Panjim. Somehow we managed 5 trucks on the way. So it was really hectic. It was really, we were all day, we were thirsty, so very hectic. We were still tired.
And the good thing was that all the drivers helped us a lot to reach at the point. And the new thing for us that we all the breakfast, dinner and lunch we had with the drivers, and that's a new experience and a good experience.
Yesterday was very tiring but challenging journey. We enjoyed a lot. All team members have good spirit. We want to win this game at any cost. So we try our best.
Real or fake?
Sitter stone. What's your weight?
Do not groan.
SIT? GRN. SIT, GRN.
Stock transfer.
Real or fake? Sit on stone. Watch your weight. Do not groan.
So what you can think of now here? Real or fake? Probably he's talking about the stock in transit here, SIT, right? And here stone.
STN and GRN. Yes.
Okay.
STN and GRN,
Yeah.
right.
Getting somewhere.
And what would the first thing mean?
If something is not been closed like that.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So that SIT is talking about STN and GRN.
We need to identify the SIT is something stock in transit.
Stock in transit.
PO number.
Stock transfer order.
Stock transit order.
Or general.
And
GRN is good
receipt.
Watch your weight. This consignment का we need to
Weight
identify the
देखना है.
weight.
Watch your weight. मतलब मटेरियल आ गया SIT में दिख रहा है GRN नहीं है फिजिकली होगा मटेरियल. That means you have to look for SIT or STN.
Okay. So what you have to do is make a no
SIT.
GRN.
GRN.
Okay.
And what would prove it that you've done it? What is the last step in doing the GRN?
When the GRN number comes from the system, then it is
okay.
That is a documented in SAP that GRN has been done.
Okay, good. You got it. Now I'd like to clarify that a real entry may not be made depending on the consignment that they have today.
Okay.
So what they have to do is to go through this process. Do not post it, but at least show how the entry is done.
Okay.
Right from the SIT stage, and they have to ask a person to give them that SIT or STN, whichever thing that they may require to do the GRN.
So you are telling us to do the GRN for SIT or GRN for the STO which has come in?
That you will know when you speak to Mr. Rathore. He'll point out to the right person. He'll give you something for which you have to do a GRN.
Okay.
Team time has started long back. So quickly, let's do this. Run to the warehouse guy, please.
Raining again.
Okay. The team has now solved the clue. They were very sharp. GRN करना है और GRN SIT और STN से पता करना उनको ये भी पता है. So let's quickly follow the clue and see how they're doing. Come on, let's go. We're going to the warehouse manager's office and he's going to give us the document number. The team was instructed to go to their Karta Dharta, the warehouse manager, but looks like they're already back to the gate register. They've again digressed and they're losing out on time because they've lost a bit of time when they took a breather. So they are aware that they have just 20 minutes to finish the task. So let's go and get them back to pavilion so that they can move on to the next task.
इसका अपने को warehouse manager की जरूरत पड़ेगी. We need to retrieve these documents.
गाड़ी नंबर.
This is an individual talk.
Document number.
इसके अंदर शायद GRN
नहीं होगा.
Welcome to the warehouse office.
271.
They're understanding how do they fill up the GRN entry. They have about 15 minutes to go, so they need to catch up fast.
SIT रिपोर्ट है मेरा. ठीक है. यहाँ से उस नंबर को ओपन करके दिया जाना है.
Watch your weight.
श्रीनिवास. डीजल SIT STO नंबर 1 कुछ पड़ा हुआ है.
आपके वहाँ पे स्टॉक ट्रांसफर हुआ है जिसमें शॉर्टेज है कोई वो डेटा चाहिए. Show me the SIT details.
Is there any stock which has arrived from some of the location? Okay, it's in stock transfer, done from some other location, and it must be lying at your hold area. For whose weight check is not done? Where is the stock? Hold area, man, hold area.
अच्छा, where is hold area? Hold area.
Diesel hold area.
Diesel hold है ना? Last ना?
STO means जो receiving location होती है ना, वो STO रेज करता है. स्टॉक ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर और जो डिस्पैच लोकेशन होती है वो STN रेज करता है. स्टॉक ट्रांसफर STO ये रेज करेंगे.
पर कहीं और भेजने के लिए?
यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए. स्टॉक ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर. अगर मैंने मटेरियल ऑर्डर करना है दिल्ली से तो मुझे STO रेज करना है.
SIT और STO.
SIT मींस स्टॉक इन ट्रांसफर.
स्टॉक इन ट्रांसफर दैट आई नो.
कोई सा स्टॉक जो आपका आया है जिसका GRN नहीं हुआ है डीजल का.
अभी कोई फ्रेश स्टॉक आया आपके पास? हमें करना है उसका GRN. टाटा स्काई का है चेन्नई से बैंगलोर. So we have to check packages and weight. ये है ना स्टॉक ट्रांसफर नोट. वी गॉट इट.
वेइंग मशीन है क्या इधर? है ना? ठीक है.
वही नंबर से चलना चाहिए.
नहीं भैया देखिए ना, ये
Okay, match कर रहा है.
मैच कर रहा है. Yes, quantity 29611004.
Others. 20 minutes to go.
Are you certifying?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
That's done.
Okay, then I give it to you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Process right है आपने check किया? So you all have finally completed this task also.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And you'll gain another 100 points.
So what's the result?
Yes, we have done
We
it.
have done it. Are you satisfied with the result? Okay, should we give it a clear?
Clear.
All right, congratulations guys, you did it again. Thanks. You are an amazing bunch of people.
Mr. Shailendra is currently checking if Himani has done the task properly.
Yeah, great.
Congratulations team West. Since you've done the task correctly और शैलेंद्र जी ने बोला है कि आपने कर लिया तो हम उनकी बात मान लेते हैं.
हम अभी मंगोली चौक पे खड़े और कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हमें कोई ट्रक मिले और जिससे हम रायपुर का डिस्टेंस क्लियर कर पाए. फिलहाल संबलपुर दिखा रहा है 265 किलोमीटर. वहाँ पे हमने जब वेयर हाउस से चेक किया था उन्होंने रूट बताया था करीबन 550 किलोमीटर रायपुर है यहाँ से.
Hello everyone, good morning. We are in the beginning of day 3. See, yesterday what happened is, like, even though we traveled from Bangalore, the warehouse was closed, so we were not able to engage the contestants in their activity. So I've already informed them, don't worry, we'll be carrying over that task and to the next destination. So now it's a wonderful morning and the time exactly in my watch is 7 o'clock and we will be departing from this destination in next 5 minutes.
Driver was very hesitant, seeing 3 persons. Somehow we managed.
Mangesh and Bhupinder are on a truck. The truck has stopped at a dhaba. We don't want to make them conscious or the truck driver think that they are being followed by the media. So we are secretly filming them.
सर्वे कर रहे हैं. सर्वे कर रहा था. हंडिया और आगे चला जाएगा. हंडिया तो आगे है इससे. मिर्जापुर के हंडिया से पहले भी एक रोड है. हाँ वही वो तो वहाँ पे ट्रक मिलेगी अपने को. मिल जाएगा. वहाँ तो मेन रोड में है. गैरेज मेन रोड में है.
वहाँ ड्रॉप कर दिए ना वहाँ